Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve each equation and check your solutions. Part A, 3x plus 7 equals 28. Part B, 4y minus 11 equals 13. Part C, negative 2z plus 5 equals negative 9. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Each equation follows the pattern ax plus b equals c. We solve by undoing operations in reverse order. First handle the addition or subtraction, then handle the multiplication or division. This keeps both sides of the equation balanced. For part A, we start with 3x plus 7 equals 28. First, subtract 7 from both sides to get 3x equals 21. Then divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 7. Let's verify. Substitute x equals 7 into 3x plus 7. We get 3 times 7 plus 7, which is 20, which is 21 plus 7, which equals 28. That matches the right side, so x equals 7 is correct. For part B, we start with 4y minus 11 equals 13. Add 11 to both sides to get 4y equals 24. Then divide both sides by 4 to get y equals 6. To check, substitute y equals 6 into 4y minus 11. We get 4 times 6 minus 11, which is 24 minus 11, which equals 13. That matches the right side, so y equals 6 is correct. For part C, we start with negative 2z plus 5 equals negative 9. Subtract 5 from both sides to get negative 2z equals negative 14. Then divide both sides by negative 2. A negative divided by a negative is positive, so z equals 7. To check, substitute z equals 7 into negative 2z plus 5. We get negative 2 times 7 plus 5, which is negative 14 plus 5, which equals negative 9. That matches the right side, so z equals 7 is correct. Here is a summary. For 3x plus 7 equals 28, x equals 7. For 4y minus 11 equals 13, y equals 6. For negative 2z plus 5 equals negative 9, z equals 7. All three solutions check out. The general pattern is subtract the constant from both sides, then divide by the coefficient. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.